Let's explore the other few options available on the file menu. The next option is rename. So if I want to rename my file to something else, uh, so I'll go to file, rename, and it'll take me to the heading wherein I could put it as a new copy. Yeah. The other way to rename a particular file is just click on the heading and you'll get the option to type in the headings wherein you can rename the file. Yeah. So from the file itself, by double clicking on the heading, or by going to file rename option, you can rename this entire Google Sheet. The next option in file is move. Now suppose I have on my Google Drive and another folder called Google Sheet Final. I want my Google Sheet to be moved to another folder which I have just created. For that, I will click on File, Move, select the folder that I want to move to. So if it's outside my drive, I click outside my drive, or click on my drive. Suppose I want to move it to Google Sheet Final. I'll click on Google Sheet Final and move here. This way, the entire file has been moved to a new folder which we have created recently. So you'll see I love Google Sheet is not available on my drive right now. It has been moved to Google Sheet Final. There's another way we can move a particular file. If you see, there is an option beside star to move a particular file. I'll click on this option. It will again open the same pop-up wherein I can move back this file to my drive. So I'll say move here, and the file which was present in Google Sheet Final has now moved back to my drive. So these were the two options of how we rename a particular file. Yeah, by clicking on the heading and or by going to file and rename option. Whereas to move a particular file, you again go to file and move, or you click on the move option which is present besides the heading. The next option to explore in file menu is add a shortcut to drive. So if I have to add a shortcut of my file to any of the folder, I'll use it this way. So I go to my drive and I'll say create a shortcut here. Now if you actually observe the folder, you'll see there are two files which are seen, but actually the second file is not a file. It is a shortcut which is denoted by a curly arrow which is present on the icon of Google Sheet. So this is the shortcut wherein you can see there is no owner, last modified date, or the file size, because this is not the actual file. Actual file is I love Google Sheet, which will be opened if I click on this shortcut. So this is how you create a shortcut for a particular file, and this particular shortcut I can move to any other folder. Suppose I move it to Google Sheet Final and try to open the file from here. So if I click on this shortcut, the original file, which is this file, will open up. So let me just close this file and try to click on this, and you'll see it has again opened the same file that we have created. Let's move to the next option on file menu. So the next option is move to bin. So if I have to delete a particular file, or I have to remove this particular file since I do not want it. So we'll try to remove one of the file as we had created a copy of I love Google Sheets. So we'll open that file. I'll click on file and move to bin because we already have created it. Here you'll get a disclaimer wherein all the files that you delete from any of the Google Drive, whether it be Google Sheets or Google Docs, Google Slides, any file that you delete from Google stays in their bin for 30 days before it gets permanently deleted. So I'll say, since file moved to bin, I will say go back to home screen. So it will take me to the home screen. So I'll just close this. I'll go back to the folder that I have created. You'll see the copy of I love Google Sheets has been moved to bin. So if I want to check where it has gone, if you go to your Google Drive, there's an option called bin. Here you'll find all the files which you have deleted till now. Yeah. Here you can see the I love Google Sheets copy file which was deleted. If I want to totally delete it from the bin as well, so I'll say empty bin. It will empty all the files which are available in the bin. It is the same as recycle bin we have on Windows. So let me get back to the sheet. So what we have explored today is renaming the file, moving a file from one folder to another, creating a shortcut for your file, and moving it to a recycle bin.